Hello, I'm Mark Nessing with Houston Associates. We are the rep for ABB, Thomas & Betts in New England. And today we're going to talk about a new product from ABB. It's the Ferrule stay kit. So you ask, why ferrules? Well, traditionally, when you're inserting wires into a screw clamp terminal block, a lot of times the wire, when twisting or tinning, you can get breakage or you can get loose strands. The beauty of a ferrule is that when it's crimped on that wire, it's going to protect from problems with bending, vibration, and wire stress. It's going to give you a reliable insertion, a reliable crimp when you do that. So what ABB has come up with is an all-in-one solution, the Ferrule kit. In the kit, you're going to get 3,400 high-quality ferrules, as well as two tools. You're going to get a stripper crimper tool, and you're going to get a crimping tool. The crimping tool is a 4-point range-taking, 26 to 8 gauge range-taking tool that is going to give you a sure stake, a reliable, uniform crimp every single time. The stripping tool will strip to preset lengths, and you can also use it to cut the wire. So combined, in this carrying case, you're going to get a chart so that as you reorder, you're going to get the ferrules as well as the tools, and it's just very, very easy to work with on the job site or in your plant facility. Brand new from ABB Thomas & Betts, and it's in stock at Granite City.